This is a case that is partly Bollywood, partly about deepfake and all about IP rights. मैं अमिताभ बच्चन बोल रहा हूँ. आपने 25 लाख जीत लिए हैं. India doesn't yet have a standalone law for personality rights. Imagine this, a meme using a celeb's photo for a fake brand endorsement. Or maybe a spoof ad with Shah Rukh Khan's voice cloned by AI. Imagine getting a call from Amitabh Bachchan telling you that you have won 25 lakhs, but it's a scammer using his voice. Illegal, right? But how do you actually prove it? Hello future lawyers, I am Neelam Kejriwal from the legal school and today we are breaking down a blockbuster courtroom drama, Amitabh Bachchan versus Rajat Negi and others. This is a case that is partly Bollywood, partly about deepfake and all about IP rights. We are talking about image rights, voice misuse, publicity rights, and how this one case shows why IP law is becoming the hottest legal career in India. So let's dive in. So what really happened? In late 2022, scammers were misusing Amitabh Bachchan's voice, image, name in fake lottery ads, mobile apps, and even KBC-style fraud calls. मैं अमिताभ बच्चन बोल रहा हूँ. आपने 25 लाख जीत लिए हैं. And people actually fell for it. But why? Because Big B's voice is instantly recognizable. It's a brand value in itself. Amitabh Bachchan filed a suit in Delhi High Court against Rajat Negi and several unknown parties, basically saying, stop using my face, voice, name for commercial fraud. And guess what? He won an interim injunction, a full-on restraining order against not just the scammers but anyone misusing his personality without consent. This case wasn't just about reputation, it was about personality rights. A type of intellectual property right that is not yet clearly codified in Indian laws, but is evolving fast. So what were the legal grounds? First is right of publicity. Bachchan argued that his voice, image, name are assets that he controls. Using them without permission is violating his rights. Second is passing off. The scam made people believe it was an actual KBC promo. That's misrepresentation and damages and goodwill. Third is invasion of privacy. Misusing someone's likeness is equivalent to privacy breach, especially when it's done to cheat public. Fourth one is personality rights under Article 21. The right to protect your identity flows from right to life and celebrities have added burden of being publicly targeted. I will tell you something interesting now. India doesn't yet have a standalone law for personality rights. Courts are building it through precedents. And what is getting interesting from here is that this case sets the tone for deep fake voice misuse, AI-generated likenesses, and unauthorized merch, apps, or social media impersonation. Imagine this, a meme using a celeb's photo for a fake brand endorsement. Or maybe a spoof ad with Shah Rukh Khan's voice cloned by AI or a Deepika Padukone look-alike selling crypto scams. All of this involves IP laws, tech and media, which is total legal mess generating a hot career opportunity for you. This case proves one thing. IP law is no longer just for patent nerds or Bollywood lawyers. It's for techies because AI needs regulation. For gamers, because characters designed are copyrighted. For influencers, because image rights will generate income. And for you, because this is the future of digital law. At the legal school, we are training students in trademark filing, IP contracts, digital content licensing, the celebrities' personality rights, and guess what? We don't teach from textbooks. We teach from real-life cases like this one. So do you want to protect future Amitabh Bachchan from scam artists or draft influencer agreements for YouTubers and Twitch streamers? Then IP law isn't just a subject, it's your superpower. So next time when someone says, your IP law sounds boring, you go and tell them, bro, it's just helped Amitabh Bachchan to stop scammers from faking KBC on the internet. IP law is where law meets tech, media and you. Remember one thing, that in the world of fakes, be the IP lawyer who protects the real.